Okay, this one, you know, rug mat. Yeah, they use this one, weaving. It's like a fabric and make this one. You use or even that you use like the clean or like the dishwasher or something like that at home. You use this one. Okay. Yeah. Even somebody use like a squib. This one is wet and it look like a monkey face. Whenever they want to cut this one, they can use the thumb to keep one like this. And they use the knife to knock them and they automatic break into two pieces. Yeah. So ready, huh? Come on. Jack in the box. Okay. You look only by your teeth. Okay, so
It's not good to eat.
Okay. This long time ago. Nobody take picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Yeah, they remove the flesh and the shell separately. This one used for burning one more time. No waste, huh? They use this one with the machine. Okay? Yeah. Look, that is where the juice coming. Yeah, that's where the sweet coming from, right? Coconut wood, huh? When they chop the tree down, they get the small pieces to get for the fire. They put like that 45 to maximum 1 hour. And how about the ingredients? So if you want to make the plain one, they make 80% with the coconut juice. The other 20% they make with the malt, M-A-L-T, malt. If they make with the peanut, so 20% malt and the 10% peanut. Also, they can make all kind of flavor. Peanut, coffee, and the leaf. And the last one, I don't know that you love that or not, the durian. Okay, the durian. Yeah, they have the. They make it still hot, and after that they put them on the tray to make them into the bar, like the coconut bar. And they use a big knife to cut that one. I have the peanut. They serve that one.
Is there anyone that's
Madam, layers. The first one, this is the rice paper, edible. They use this one to wrap it, so prevent melting. Okay, they keep this one wrapped with the coconut candy. The second one, the plastic. So if you eat, you just take this one out and then you eat the whole one. Okay, it's better than the paper. Okay, and prevent from melting. Okay, the red color, this is the pure one. It means just only the coconut.
Okay.
Nothing, huh? The red color, okay? The green one, this is the pendant leaf. So the color green because of the leaf, huh? Okay. The black one, the brown or red like that, this is the coffee. Coffee, yeah?
Coffee.
Yeah, coffee, yeah. This one, the cocoa, cacao, like that, huh? The brown one, chocolate, like that. And the yellow one, this is the durian. Durian, yeah.